Goncalo Ramos wins it for PSG tonight against Barcelona. The game ended 2-1, and it was a disappointing performance from Barcelona tonight, to say the least. You know, midfield masterclass in the second half for PSG. They dominated Barcelona. After Barcelona got their first goal in today's game, that goal that was scored by that goal from Ferran Torres and Marcus Rashford assist, they went to sleep, and PSG showed them just why they are Champions League winners, why they got to the finals of the Champions League last year and won it, why they ridiculed Inter Milan in the Champions League final. You know, they showed maturity, especially in that second half. Look at those two goals considered by Barcelona tonight. Absolutely easy goal. They peeled Barcelona's defense. They picked them into pieces today's game. Their hot knife was running through Barcelona's butter. You know, it was just easy for PSG. They defeated Barcelona, the first major test for Barcelona this season. And I said it in my previous post, this will be their major test. Yeah, let's forget about Newcastle United. They are not in the same class with PSG, but tonight was their first major test this season if the boys are ready, and it's like they are still playing, because if PSG can beat you without Kvaratskhelia, without Ballon d'Or winner Ousmane Dembele and Desiree Doué, then what are you doing? PSG didn't have their normal front line today, and they defeated Barcelona. Not defeated them alone, they embarrassed Barcelona. It could have been more than that, you know. Eventually ended 2-1. See that goal by Sedi Mayuku, that pass from Nuno Mendes. After the first 10 minutes, that looks like Lamine was able to, you know, rattle Nuno Mendes a bit. Nuno Mendes, ball carrier, ball pusher, was running the show, both from the wings and in the midfield. And Achraf Hakimi's pass, to my God. Achraf Hakimi's pass to Goncalo Ramos. Goncalo Ramos always, anytime he comes in the second half, is like, when I'm coming in, my goal is already written. He came in the 72nd minute and won a 90th minute game for PSG tonight. So PSG are still class ahead of Barcelona. This is what tonight's match showed us, that they are still above Barcelona, maybe not too far away, but they are still above Barcelona. They had 7 shots on target at Barcelona's own. Barcelona with 3 shots on target, 4 shots off target, and they dominated possession over Barcelona. So for Barcelona, their first major test, they failed. And Flick will be mad with his boys tonight. They didn't show maturity, they didn't show composure, and they didn't show grit in their play tonight.